reviews.
Once this goes down, it's not coming up. My name is Xavier Art. I'm an artist and I'm with the Desire Company covering my Sharpies. Sharpie is a really great brand. I've seen them in pretty much every color you can think of. Me, myself, I use them for outlining and tracing some of my work. I use them for my sketchbooks as well. I use them for outlining my designs for my custom coffee tables. I even use them for my murals sometimes when I'm just getting the basic shape on the wall and I need to do some quick fill-ins before spray painting. It dries really fast. Sharpie markers are really great for simple things like taking notes or doodling in your sketchbook, all the way up into maybe doing some larger projects on site, working somewhere, or doing murals. And I would recommend them to anyone who needs to make their mark.